So problem 44, we need to find the max value of log x to base c divided by x if x is greater than 0. So to find the maximum value, what do? We find the differential and then we equate it to 0, right? So let y be equal to log x by x. So differentiating this with respect to x, so dy by dx equals, so I have x square, x into differential of log x, which is 1 by x, minus log x into differential of x, which is 1. Okay, so now I get 1 minus log x divided by x square. Now to find the maximum value, I need to equate this dy by dx to 0. So therefore, the numerator has to be equal to 0. So 1 minus log x has to be equal to 0. Now if 1 minus log x has to be equal to 0, what should be the value of x? So this is log x to base e. So if this is 1, I need to get 1 here. So we know that log e to base e is 1. So therefore, 1 minus log e to base e will give me 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So x is nothing but e, right? So x is e, and therefore we need to find the maximum value of y equals log x by x. So what is that? So that is, so I substitute the value of x equal to e in this equation. So I have log e to base e divided by e. So log e to base e is 1 by e. So the answer is B, right? So the right answer is B, which is 1 by e. So make sure that you do like, share and subscribe, and check out the other videos to get the solutions of all the other problems of KCET 2020, and thanks for